we are continuing the next model problem in Poisson distribution by using recurrence formula. Using recurrence formula, find the probabilities when x values are given as from 0 to 5 if the mean of Poisson distribution is 3. So mean of the Poisson distribution is denoted as lambda. Lambda is equal to 3. So by Poisson distribution, we have the formula as probability of x is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial, and that is equal to e power minus 3 into 3 power x by x factorial, by we have in the data as lambda equal to 3. Now we have the values as from 0 to 5. So first I am taking the value of x as 0 and substituting in the Poisson distribution formula. P of 0 is equal to, we have as e power minus 3 into 3 power x. In that x place we are substituting as 0 by 0 factorial, and the value of that one is 0.0498. Actually, if we want to find for P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, we can directly substitute in this formula x values as 0, 1, 2, 3. Then also you get the values of probability of x. But in this case it is given as recurrence formula. So this is very easy to find the probability of given x values. So by recurrence formula, what do we have? P of x plus 1 is equal to lambda by x plus 1 into P of x. This already we have given in the previous video. You check once. In this you substitute lambda value as 3, and that is 3 by x plus 1 into P of x. So this I have taken as a second equation. Now in this equation I am substituting x value as 0 to 5. So putting x is equal to 0 in that equation, what we will get? P of 1 is equal to 3 by 0 plus 1. So 3 by 1 into P of 0. So P of 0 is equal to how much we got in the previous? 0.0498. So for using this recurrence formula, we should know about P of 0. If we do not know about P of 0 value, we cannot continue by using this recurrence formula. So for this, you need to know the value of P of 0 for using this recurrence formula. Now taking again x is equal to 1, in that same second equation, P of 2 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 1 into P of 1. Next, the values are 0.22241, and next x is equal to, in equation 2 like the same you continue up to how many values are given for that x. You get the conclusion by using the recurrence for these x values from 0 to 5. Next, the last model of this Poisson distribution is fit a Poisson distribution for the following data and calculate the expected frequencies. So we have the table values of x and function in x. This is the frequency values for x. So what you need to find? The expected frequencies. So we have here the frequencies as the observed frequencies. So observed frequencies, whether equal to expected frequencies or not, we will conclude from this solution. Right. So here this summation of f of x is capital N. So n is equal to summation f, that how much is the value? 200. Next up, this is a grouped data. So for the grouped data, what is the mean formula? That is summation fi xi by summation fi. So summation fi xi means multiplying these two plus multiplying this plus multiplying this, plus multiplying this, plus multiplying this. So for the first one, 0 into this one is 0, 1 into 65 as 65, 2 into 22 as 44, 3 into 3 as 9, 4 into 1 as 4 by summation Fi. Summation Fi is the total frequency. That is, if you add all these 109 plus 65 plus 22 plus 3 plus 1, you will get the sum as 200. So that is equal to 0.61. So this is the lambda value, mean. So mean of this one is 0.61. Now, applying the Poisson distribution, what is the formula? P of x is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. So in that, x values whatever is given in the table, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to that you have to take the values of x. And lambda we got as 0.61. So substituting in this Poisson distribution formula, we get P of x is equal to e power minus 0.61 into 0.61 whole power x by x factorial. So what we need to find the values, the expected frequencies for x successes. That means x values from 0 to 4. What is the expected frequency? That is the formula for the expected frequency is n into P of x. So already we got n as 200. So for the first value, substituting x is equal to 0 in this expression and multiplying with n, you get the first expected frequency. N into P of 0 is equal to n value as 200 into, in this taking x value as 0 and substituting, you get the value 108.67. But the frequencies should not be in decimal, so we round up this one as 109. Next, x is equal to 1, then n into P of 1, and substituting in the same way by taking x value as 1, you will get the value 66.29. Like that, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 4. All these values we find out for the frequencies. So frequencies are always be in integer form. It should not be in decimal form. So finally we have to conclude by observing with this observed frequency and expected frequency. So observed frequency is given in the table like 109, 65, 22, 3, 1. Now expected frequency we got from taking this Poisson distribution for x values 0 to 5. We get the expected frequencies as 109, 66, 20, 4, 1. So approximately this expected frequency is near to the observed frequency. This is the conclusion we have to give for the fitting of a Poisson distribution for the given data. So that's all about Poisson distribution. So binomial and Poisson distribution are related to the discrete model, discrete random variable. To the next video, we continue the normal distribution.